Hello and welcome to Optimum TV. My name's Bastin, and today I'm delighted to be joined by Nicholas Johnston, co-founder and CEO of Alice Biosciences. Hi, Nick.
Thank you very much for having me, Nick. Much appreciated.
Alice has just exited stealth with plans to free up $30 billion worth of trapped cash in life sciences and biotech companies listed around the world. Can you please tell us a little about Alice and what it is exactly you're doing?
Alice has been conceived out of 25 years of frustration of being an investment banker and a corporate advisor, whereby companies trip on the public markets and then lose their market cap but not their cash. And what do I mean by trip? I mean that they have a clinical failure or a commercial setback, or they don't quite go according to plan. And we all know from our early high school biology and chemistry that not everything always goes according to plan scientifically or commercially. Alice identified and recognized that over $30 billion is trapped on these balance sheets. We will go and return the vast majority of that cash to shareholders. We will allow companies to continue to develop their science under certain circumstances and certain structures. We have three particular structures that are in the public domain today. We're working on some others. But the principal goal of Alice is to free up tens of billions of dollars of capital that is sitting in the wrong place. The market today is complaining of a non-IPO window. And for those of us who've worked in the market for the last 30 years, IPO windows tend to come and go. There are macroeconomic reasons for that, but then there are fundamental healthcare and, in particular, biotech reasons for that. In my mind, and to those who are supporting Alice, the principal problem is that too much cash is trapped in the wrong places.
That sounds fascinating, Nick. And, why do you think that this trapped cash is such a problem for biotech companies in particular?
Lead times, mainly. It's not a phenomenon of biotech. It's a phenomenon of healthcare and tech in the same time. FinTech also has its problems. The fundamental issue is lead time. Clinical trials take time, as they should. They should be done properly. They should be done with rigor. Unfortunately, for a company that has a lead asset which fails, they are given no second chance. They're not picked up and dusted off and allowed to go back to the playground. More often than not, they're sent home with their tail between their legs. It's not necessarily their fault that a trial has failed. There's reasons why science doesn't work first time, second time, and third time. In some of these cases where there is a legitimate chance to try again, we will work with the companies to let them try again. No question about it. We will give them another chance. What they can't do is do the same thing 3 times and expect a completely different answer. There is a reason why the trial didn't work. Let's figure that out. And then let's go again in a different context and a slightly different way. And will that allow it to work? In many of these cases, we suspect that the patient population is too broad. A simple change of being able to narrow the patient population, or at least be able to enroll patients closer to the original premise of the compound or the product, will allow it to work to a degree. It may not be a billion-dollar molecule, but it may be something. And the key point here, more than anything else, is let the science be led by scientists. In many companies, the stakeholders are pulled in different directions by board members, by academic founders, by CEOs, by the perception of what big corporate and the larger corporates will want to see. That may or may not be accurate, and it may not be, by that way, holistic. In many cases, some big pharma want to see different things from different companies. And as a result of which, trying to design a trial that is to the benefit of the entire pharmaceutical industry is well nigh impossible.
Right. And why should shareholders and managing sort of management teams of these companies, why should they partner with you, do you think?
We're here to help them, first and foremost. We're not here to judge them. We're not here to make a particular play one way or another. Some of the companies that we're engaging with are already down a track that we will help them get down faster. Some of them still have a chance to think about their science in a different way. We'll help them do that too. And so this is not about us turning up with one prescribed answer or one easy, quick solution. This is about making the right decision for all stakeholders and helping the companies reach that goal.
Great. And when can we expect the first deal?
How long's a piece of string? I suspect that we're in good positions with a number of situations at the moment. I can't comment on what they are and who they are. And I hope that there is some steady progress being made. Please watch this space.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Nick. And any management teams or shareholders out there getting in touch.
Thank you very much. We are here to help, first and foremost.
Are you watching Optimum TV? In our bite-sized episodes, we talk to European life science leaders about the hottest trends, innovations and capital market developments in the sector. To subscribe, visit @OptimumComms on YouTube. You can also watch all available episodes on our website, optimumcomms.com.